Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete screenshots and videos on a PS5 and free up storage space. So let's get started. First, from the home screen go to the top right corner and select the settings gear icon. Then inside settings, scroll down and open storage. Now go to console storage. From there, scroll down and select media gallery. Here you will see all your saved screenshots and video clips. Now select the screenshots or videos you want to delete. You can also select multiple files at once. To do this, first select multiple, which is located on the right side of the screen. Now choose all the screenshots and videos you want to delete. Once you have selected them, go to the bottom right corner and choose delete. Then confirm the action. After this, the selected screenshots and videos will be removed from your PS5. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.